Hi everyone, this is a video about this telescopic back scratcher, which is stainless steel, and the price of this was £3.50, under £3.50, and I always wanted one of these, and I looked for it to see if I can find a good one, and I chose this because it's stainless steel, so it's rust proof, and you can use this for many other reasons. You can adapt this, and the reason that I'm doing this video is not just simply for this back scratcher, and more is about how you can adapt this to make a telescopic an extension, like a selfie stick, but not that selfie stick that you can put a camera here. You can put your microphone, lavalier, microphones, and so on this, and make a 3/4 of an inch by unscrewing this part and getting rid of this and making the hole a little bit larger in here. I show you in this one that I have made, and make a hole here just to attach some sort of attachment here, like so, either like this or like this. These two are really good, but unfortunately they are very heavy, and you can use it in this combination to use 1/8 of an inch screws, and use it in this combination to use 3/4 of an inch screws, but they are really heavy. But I have another one that is made here that is going to screw exactly the same size as in here, and is going to be much lighter. And then at the bottom of this, as I mentioned on the other one, I took that screw away, and then I made the hole down here after taking that screw off a little bit wider to be sized at 3/4 of an inch. And then if I thread it properly, and then with this you can connect this one to here like so, and now you have 3/8 of an inch here for your tripod heads or ball heads, wherever. And here you can mount your microphone or anything of light weight to here and extend it. And this one extends up more than 52 centimeters. Let me just put this here, and each section is 5 centimeters, so it's 50 centimeters, and it's not bad. And even you can attach this to your selfie stick arm to extend it even more. I really like these attachments for the tripod and the camera setup that I have, because I have a very tiny place here for my setup, and one day I'm going to show you my setup if you like. But this is how I made this back scratcher into this tripod telescopic arm extension. And the reason that you see this black shrink wrap that is in here is because here is really sharp, so I put this one over it to avoid cutting and so on as I'm using this. Anyhow, this is supposed to be a very short video about how to convert a stainless steel telescopic back scratcher to a selfie stick, somehow telescopic tripod extension for your microphone or anything of lightweight uh, that you can connect to this. I hope you like this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time and stay well.